Guys, welcome back to my new video. So guys, today our topic is 10 better ways to do Amazon product research like a pro. Before we started our video, make sure that you subscribe my channel so you can get the latest videos. Let's get started. Checklist of Amazon product research requirement. Here is a quick checklist of what is required to come up with the right product. With these criteria, your job gets easier. How to do a product research on Amazon manual method. If you want to do it manually, then Amazon itself is a great resource to carry out a few things for the process. This involves doing two simple steps. Number one is check the best seller list. Amazon offers you substantial help for researching about a product that is through Amazon's bestseller page. In fact, this is the foremost step you should be doing as Amazon's display all the top selling product. You can search for products based on your category and subcategories. Perform a quick check as the listing in order to determine what items are sold the most. This is done will also assist you in deciding a niche. Try to choose products that they are neither priced too high or not nor too low. Besides, the limited competition also gives more prospects to sell this product. Once you have an idea about the niche and the respective product, see if the product is in demand or not through the following ways. Google Keyword Planner. See what the competitors are doing. The second step is to analyze what your competitors are doing to sell the product that you have picked. Amazon's bestseller page enables you to see through your primary competitors. You can check for their product listing page and their official website if available. The insights give an idea of what items are selling the most. The ones that are getting good ratings are customer reviews. Apart from this, you can spy on your competitor outside Amazon's by typing the appropriate keyword on Google or other research engines that see if their results are showing up. When you check a product page in detail, you will tend to get multiple new ideas with thousands and thousands of products listed. It is very easy to be carried away. It is important to be clear to understand what you are exactly looking for. When I doubt, ensure the following tips mentioned below. Look for any type of product from Amazon's bestseller as they are adequate to help you come with ideas. Focus more on the sponsored product frequently bought together and customer also bought sections as they provide better data intelligence with which you further might want to increasing or upselling your inventory. Number two is automatic method. This is indeed one of the quickest ways to perform product research. They save time and come handy. Just imagine scrolling through the bestseller list, checking the hot selling items, analyzing the product criteria, image descriptions, bullets, listings, and competition can be time consuming and maddening. Moreover, you will have to check if there is enough demand for the product and see it can sell easily. What will the return of refund rate and how expensive it can be shipped to customers want it to be worked effectively for years. Would this necessitate proper customer support? You can either do all of the above, visit all the websites, click on all potential products, put in all the price, weight and other criteria that are mentioned above, go to all competitors, go up and down on scrolling through all the products, go back and forth switching tabs and spend hours and hours of energy and you still may not come up with the product idea. Product category to avoid. If you are going to be a private label seller, then understand that not all the items are created equally. You need to avoid choosing some complex products such as cameras, photos, painting, home appliances, EDC for some reasons not big product that you have complications with shipping and manufacturing. As it turned out, its biggest headache later on. This is mainly because it has a massive product involved, liabilities, quality assurance, and customer reviews. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video guys, please subscribe my channel so you can get latest videos. Thank you so much.